Are you into the Bluetooth speaker and looking for a very competitive price, good quality Bluetooth speaker looks great like this? If yes, this video is for you. Hey everyone, Naresh here, back with another tech review. If you're new to my channel, please do consider subscribing it because I'm going to bring you a very fantastic stuff for the Kodi streaming world as well as tech reviews. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for coming back. So, in this video today, we are going to review this fantastic Bluetooth speaker, which came from the HAVIT, model number M16. The good thing about this Bluetooth speaker is it's 10 watt in power. It's got two passive radiators on both sides. Obviously 10 watt in power, that's good. Fabric quality. It can also take the micro SD card up to 32 gigabytes. Compatible to go with the Bluetooth as well auxiliary port. Bluetooth, which is a 4.2, the latest one. From the point of view of the battery life, it's got exactly same battery life as your mobile phone. So think about it, you can have a playtime of about more than 14 hours on it. Full volume. What else you want? So first, I'll be showing you what is included in the package of it. Then we're going to look into the performance of it. By the end of this video, you will get to know this, that is this really product for you or not. I will be also leaving the link in the video description that if you wanted to purchase them from Amazon or from the official website of the manufacturer. So with that all been said, let's get into the review part. So let's start with the very quick unboxing. User manual, HAVIT warranty card, 3.5mm audio cable for non-Bluetooth supporting devices, one standard micro USB charging cable. In the last we have our Bluetooth speaker, which is fully fabric and come with the two passive radiators on side to side and a speaker in the front. Okay, now on the top of the speaker we have got all the controls, starting with the power button, play and pause, navigation within your playlist buttons and the volume control. Now in terms of connection wise, all of them are available on the rear of this Bluetooth speaker. You just need to simply lift this card up. All the ports are available in the rear of this Bluetooth speaker, starting with the micro USB for charging. Next to it you have got an auxiliary port for non-supporting Bluetooth devices. Then you have a micro SD card slot which supports up to 32 gigabytes, which is very decent to have. You can put your all music in it and off it go. Simple as that. Now on the rear of the speaker you have got some anti-slip pads which will help you to put the speaker where you want it and enjoy the sound without any extra vibration. From the looks point of view, the speaker seems to be very decent along with these passive radiators on both sides. Well, now let's have a look into the performance. So let's start with the performance test, where first I will be pairing this Bluetooth speaker with my smartphone device which is running on Android. So power it up, Bluetooth speaker.
Bluetooth mode.
As soon Bluetooth speaker is powered up, you're going to hear an audible notification and this light would be flashing blue on top of it. Go down in the toolbar and make sure you turn on your Bluetooth. It's going to show you all the Bluetooth devices right in here. You need to go scroll down into the bottom where it says available devices. Now within the available devices, you should be able to find HAVIT M16. Click on it and click pair. Once it's fully paired, you're going to see this solid blue light on top of it. You would also get the battery notification on your mobile phone as well because it's running Bluetooth 4.2, which is compatible to do so much more. You can play, pause right from here within your playlist. You can also navigate within the playlist by using these navigational keys as well as increase and decrease volume.
Audio Jungle.
Preview. Well, the speaker and its performance seems to be very acceptable for the price and the power it outputs. The looks are fantastic. As you can see, they're fully fabric. Nice passive radiators on the both sides. I would say that it's a pretty good and decent buy. I would highly recommend, to be honest with you guys. Link would be available in the video description if you are more interested into it. Alright then guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another tech product review soon. Bye then guys. See ya.